Friends, good morning. The next tutorial will concentrate on how to open videos using intent. So it's a similar as image opening. So but there is a small change. So we can able to see here how to open image. Sorry, video. So just I'm creating the project name as also video open. Just I click on this. So it's open this one. So from here, just I'm applying this smash up button, one button. If I use that button here, we can able to here. Say still this project. Once this project has loaded here now, I'm pasting this XML file. So here, just I'm changing this text as open video. I want to open videos which are there in my mobile. So open video. For this also here I'm applying this data binding. So here data binding dot enabled equal to true. Just I'm applying this data binding dot enabled equal to true. Once it is done here, now here I'm getting this activity main binding something binding. Then here I'm applying this binding. So data binding detail dot this. So main activity dot this. Then after this, here as usually I'm applying the listener for the button. So that is binding dot open dot set unclick listener new view dot unclick listener. Again here the same I'm applying intent. So intent. Then first I'll write this start activity of intent. Then you can write here this intent dot here action. Here also it's the same as a get content. So get content. So here also I'm defining this what type of content it is. Set type. So here it's saying this. So video. Just I'm saying this is a video type of content. That's so remaining all are the same. Just it's how to open this one. It's the same. See now in the last program it's just it's open images. Now it's open this video this one video, like simple as it's on a WhatsApp there are different categories. Whenever you want to send only document, only contact, like this different. Let's see. So now it's open videos. This is how it goes this. So it's a using implicit intents how to open this videos. Thank you. Subscribe to get more updates.